Okay, college algebra, we're back to working on our test review. We're going to get all the way through from number 22 till the end in this video. All right, number 22. If we have the x-axis as a horizontal asymptote, we're looking for the line y equals 0 as the horizontal asymptote. The only one that does not have y equals 1 as or 2 as a horizontal asymptote is choice C. The degree for 9 would be 0, and the degree on the denominator would be 1. 23. As I start building my equation, I'm going to start with the fact that the x-intercepts are 3 and 2. And so they each get a factor on the top. The vertical asymptote is 1. So that's what I have right now. Now, it says the y-intercept is 6. Right now, if I let x equals 0, my y-intercept is negative 6. So I'm going to try something here. I'm going to square this, and I know that's going to give me 6 then for a y-intercept. Now, the degree here on the top is 2. The degree down here is 2. If I compare leading coefficients, I'll have the horizontal asymptote y equals 1. So the answer is B. Number 24, I'm reading the domain and range. My x's approach 1. So if I read from left to right, I'm approaching 1 from both sides. The y's approach 2, so the bottom of my graph goes up to 2, and then it picks up right above there. 25, that's just going to be a horizontal shift of 8 to the right. And so on 25, the answer is B. 26. Y varies directly, so y equals kx squared. Inversely is m. Oh, let me rewrite that. There we go. All right, plug everything in you know. 9 equals k times 3 squared over m. M is 5. Okay, 45 equals 9k. So k has to equal 5. Now again, I'm going to start over and plug in the 4 and divide by 10 for m. 5 times 16 over 10 is 80 over 10, so the answer is 8. Number 27. Period varies directly as the square root of L. If the period's 3.5, when the vibration is the square root of 49, I'm sorry, when the length is 49 inches, I'm going to get a k of 1/2. When I start over, I'm going to find the period for a length of 2.25. All right, the square root of 2.25 is 1.5. Half of that is 3/4 of a second. 28. The time it takes to make an enlargement varies directly as area. So there's my base equation. It takes 60 seconds to make a 3x5 enlargement. 3x5 is an area of 15. So k is 4. Start over. And the area that I'm going to be working with next is a 5x8. So a 5x8 has an area of 40. And that's 160 seconds. 29. Intensity varies inversely, so k over the square of the distance d. Intensity is measured in foot candles. It is 2 when the object is 5 feet from the light source. So k over 5 squared. 25 times 2 is 50. Start over. This time you want to find the intensity when you are 15 feet away. So that's 50 over 225. And 50 over 225 is 2 over 9. Foot candles. All right, number 30, our last one. Volume varies directly as temperature inversely as pressure. So volume is 140 when our temperature is 100 and our pressure is 10. Solving for K gives us 14. Start over. Our temperature is 310, and we're going to divide by 15. I'm going to put that into my calculator and get 289.3 inches cubed. All right, that wraps up your test review. If you have any questions, need another problem explained, etc., just reach out to me via email or comment on the discussion board on Canvas. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Bye-bye.